night.
What? Can you get this rod out of the way?
That is a...
Yeah.
It was slipping. Wow.
Fighting mother, ain't he?
Oh my God. Oh. Chuck, wait till you get a hold of one of these, brother.
He's waiting. I'm waiting.
I just wait.
Yeah.
That's a carp.
Is it?
No, I'm just kidding.
It made me too, man. Somebody's fighting like a whale.
Watch these little
Yep,
snakes.
I'm out.
They act like they know where they're at.
Another one.
Just went down. Came back up.
Hang on, you can hand it here. I got it.
Oh my God,
Jerry?
Jack, now I see why you do this. This is awesome.
You want to come reel this one up? I think I'm all right. Okay.
It's in there.
You want to see if we can get that one back in? Maybe.
Yeah,
I don't know.
yeah.
Hang on to it. Let's get this out of the way. You gonna land that sucker today?
Dude.
Or what you...
If he'd come to the top and flop on me, I'd say you're probably right.
I think they're like 60, 15, 60.
There was one following him too. Did you see that?
Woo!
Woo!
That's a lunker there.
Oh my
That's a
God.
downer. Look at the size of that sucker.
Wow.
You got a good one.
Oh my God. Oh.
No wonder. That son buck go 12, I think, or more. He might go more.
We got them all back. Get that one.
Look, Dannon, look, Chuck, look at the hook. Jerry, you gotta see this. You gotta see this.
Yeah.
Barely on him.
Oh my God.
Grab my camera.
What's she weigh?
He just got the hook out of him.
He's a horse.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure he's mountain size.
What do you got?
Alright, that's what I want you to do. 13 pounds. Right on the money. Huh?
There you go, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Boy,
Yeah.
Now, if you would, when you put that down,
Yes, sir.
yeah, hand her over. Give me one of these.
I got
I
it.
can do it, buddy.
I got it. Up and out.
Oh my God.
Feeling all right? Need some air? Oxygen, anything?
Oh my God.
All right. I'll send that to your wife, Adam.
That's
Good.
awesome. Yeah, I got to send a picture to my dad.
And we got a good video of that too.
You ought to if I was up there long enough. Isn't that something, dude?
Yeah.
Watch the video.
Was that the deep one?
No. Deep one's over here.
Deep one's coming forward. I like mine.
It's good. You've got a tiny. Yeah, that was a tug too.
See what I mean, buddy?
Yeah, a couple of good rods. Hang on, Adam. See if you can help
Get it, Jack? Give me a hand.
Getting in this pole here.
Okay, right here, buddy.
Back underneath us now.
Said he would.
Oh yeah, he always does.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what we go fishing for.
I don't know. I think you beat me still. That's not as big as yours. Yeah, that's what I say. He's been injured. He's been hit.
Take an easy drag. Doesn't mean anything.
Eater. Just an eater. Oh, he's a little bit.
Yep.
You're eating like a white bass.
Yeah, it's got the blue fins.
Good deed.
But use the meal hook on this one.
Yeah, sorry, I was letting it out.
Oh, we got a mess here.
Oh, shit. There you go, man.
I saw that thing. As soon as you drop that thing, it dropped.
There you go.
Nice fish.
There you go.
Nice, Dannon. Nice. Front of the boat seems to be the hot spot.
You're up, Jerry.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.